I've always been interested and fascinated by how things work and how the human body works. So I had studied PEMF years and years ago, but there was just never an application tool to get me to a point of saying, this makes sense, that sure, the concept here and everything that is there is now a deliverable, put it in the system. It just wasn't there. And until a friend, Tom Butler, had introduced me to Pulse Centers and had me come check out some things in LA at Upgraded Lab Conference. And that was the first time that I saw something that for me was, okay, so now there's a tool, now there's a different product that I can use to do what I believe is absolutely something that's going to make a positive change. Now there's a way to give that to the person across from me. So that was how I got, I've studied it for a long time, got introduced to Pulse Centers, then looked at what was happening here, and now it's something that is a done deal.